We have a new project. This is our new project. It is a circuit. Our project is a circuit. This is battery level indicator using LM3914 IC. The switch, potentiometer, resistor, jumper wires, breadboard, LED. It will serve as a battery indicator if the battery has a charge or a voltage level indicator for the battery. Okay, let us test our circuit. I'm using the adjustable power supply, this one, and we're going to supply the circuit with 12 volts, 1, 7, 11, 12. So our supply is 12.02 volts with a quiescent current of 0.038 amperes. So why is it 0.4 watts? So here, so LED now is lighting. We're now going to calibrate this circuit into 12 volts. So while calibrating it, it means we're going to turn on all LEDs. By adjusting the potentiometer. Calibrating that, it means we're going to adjust all, to turn on all potentiometer. So that it means we are calibrating it to 12 volts. So if this is the all LEDs now turns on. Again. Okay. Where is the LED? Okay. The green, yellow, and red. So we cannot see the red, the yellow, and the green. They are all on. They all turns on. So this is a bar mode. So we're going to simulate the circuit. It means when the battery is getting or becomes low bat, it means, for example, if the battery becomes 11 volts, as we are simulating the battery voltage. When 11, at 9, this LED 1 turns off. 8, another LED turns off. And then 6, all green LED turns off. It means that the battery is now discharging or it becomes low bat. And then all yellow LED turns off, and then at 2.31 volts, all LED turns off, or at least 1.98. It means the battery now is low bat, or the battery discharge. That is in the bar mode. again, when charging, it will now turns on each LED. It's charging at 7, 6, 8 until 12. That is the battery level indicator. So we can see that every time that the battery is discharging, or one LED turns up one by one until it becomes all LEDs turns up. Then this is a barcode mode, bar mode. How about the dot mode? This one is the dot mode. You can see only one LED. When the wait. Okay, let's connect the switch again. By the way, this is a dot mode. When the battery, as we are simulating the discharging of the battery, becomes discharging the battery at 10 or 9, 8, the second now LED turns on, and it will progress, continue to, as you can see, there is a chasing of LED until turns up 2.05. When the battery now is charging, as we are simulating the battery, the LED turns on one by one. So you can see there, that is the dot mode. Okay? While in again, while in bar mode, or we can that is the bar mode. That is the bar mode, and the other one is the dot mode. That is how the battery is, and how this circuit is working. By simulating the battery, we can now use this as a voltage level indicator of the battery. Bar mode or dot mode. We now come to the figure 1, battery voltage level indicator using LM3914. This is our circuit. Okay, let us see the circuit. We're using a 12 volt supply from the adjustable power supply, and then the ground. Between the ground, there is a 1N4007 diode, which is connected to the negative of the power supply. So there is a ground and a negative. What is the purpose of this negative? Well, to avoid the reverse polarity error. Then we have this power indicator, 4.7K resistor in series with red. This is not red, this is blue. Because in our circuit, it's so hard to see the difference between the power indicator and the battery voltage level indicator. So this is power indicator, this is voltage of the power or the battery indicator. So it consists of 10 LED from D2 to D5, D2, D3, D4, D5. It is green, D6, D7, D8, yellow, D9, D11, D10, 10, the 11 is red. So red is 3, yellow 3, and then 4 green color LED. And it is all connected to the 12 volts. So as you can see here, it is connected to the pin number 1, the red. This is also red LED, to pin number 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay? It is current syncing, or the current is syncing to the IC. So from 12 volts, current flows into the IC, towards the IC. So you can see in the figure. Positive of the LED, then negative or the cathode, then to the IC. All of them. So this is current syncing to the IC. So this is one. We have now the red LED, yellow, green. And then to the pin number 2, it is connected to the ground. Pin number 3 is to the positive, with 56K in series with this potentiometer. This is potentiometer 10K. So that we can calibrate this module for 12 volts. And then one is connected, pin number 1 of this potentiometer. As we have seen, as we have already know, potentiometer looks like this. Then there is one pin here, and then one pin. This is pin number 2, pin number 1, pin number 3. So the pin number 2 is the wiper connected to the pin number 5. So that pin number 1 connected to 56K, and then to the pin number 3. And then the other end is connected to the ground. Okay? And then pin number 4 is 18K resistor connected to the ground. Pin number 5, that is the wiper. Pin number 6 and 7 connected with 3.9K resistor to the ground. Pin number 8 is grounded. Pin number 9 is, so this is a switch. This type of switch. This is lock switch or toggle switch. As you can see in the symbol used, when we're going to use this kind of symbol, this is push button switch, normally open. But this one, we are using this symbol. Also, this is a latch switch, just like an ordinary switch that toggles. There's an ordinary switch in our house. When you press it, it will close, and then when you release, it's still closed. But here, when you press it, it will close, and then when you release, it will return to open circuit. So this one is a toggle switch. So we're using a toggle switch. Once we press it, it will turn on, or it will latch. So this one is a latch switch. When it is open, we did not press it, we are in that mode. That mode is something looks like an LED chaser, in which the LED is turning on. The LED turns on one by one. While when we press the switch, we are now entering into a bar mode. One by one, LED turns on until it reaches this green. Then turns off one by one. Bar mode. When we press the switch, bar mode. When we will make our switch open, that mode. Connected to the 12 volts. So that is the connection of our LM3914, which is a bar dot display driver. And our display driver or voltage level indicator is we are using the LED. So the main purpose of this indicator is we can able to read the voltage level of our battery. from 12 volts. When it is already, we will know whether it is low bat or fully discharged, or what is the voltage remaining in the battery. Okay, that is the purpose of this circuit. Just a battery voltage level indicator by using this LM3914 IC, or the bar that this LED display driver, to know the voltage level of the battery, whether it is low bat or if it is still have a charge.